Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Auto Whisk on mobile. First, open the Play Store and install Creta browser. Once it's installed, open it and complete the setup. After that, go to the Chrome web store. Search for Auto Whisk and tap on Add to Chrome. Wait a few seconds until it finishes installing. Now, open a new tab and search for Whisk. Then open the website. Sign in with your Google account and enter Whisk. Once you are inside, make sure you are in the image generation section. Tap on the three dots, go to Extension and select Auto Whisk. Then, change the language to English. Next, choose Classic mode and paste your prompt. You can adjust the settings if you want. When everything is ready, tap Start, then tap Run on this project. It will begin generating images. As you can see, it works perfectly. Just follow these steps carefully and you will be able to use Auto Whisk on your mobile. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.